Everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create a app routing in Next.js. Yeah, let's start. In my previous video I have explained how to create a folder, create a Next.js project and how to run Next.js project. So see this video, I leave this video link in description. First see that video and then continue with this. Okay, yeah, first I'm going to create two pages. One is for about and another one is blog. Okay, in Next.js, here we can predefinedly access routing from the Next.js, but if you doing routing in React.js means we need to install npm package. Okay, but here this is the advantage. Yeah, first I'm proceeding with the app routing, so that's the reason it's created a app folder. Inside app folder we have all our files. Okay, yeah, let's start. First I'm going to create a about. We need to create about in this like in lowercase, and inside about we need to create a page.js, and this about is like path, and this is the content render when this path is trigger. Okay, here I'm going to add a default. Before that, export default and function name. Here we need to give a uppercase name. Okay, and return, I'm going to add a div. Here I'm going to add a h1 tag. It is about, right? Yeah, this is fine. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to create a page like about for a blog, and if I give this as this in uppercase means we'll get 404. Let's see. Here we need to create a page.js and paste that, and here I'm going to modify this to blog. Save this. Going to browser. Yeah, this is our page here, home page. Okay, this content is rendering here, and if I go to about screen, yeah, it is navigated to about screen. If I'm going to blog, see, it is showing 404 because here we created this route with the uppercase. So I need to modify this to lowercase, and now we'll see. I'm going to refresh the screen. Now the blog screen is rendered. So now our routing is ready, and I'm going to add a link button, and whenever I'm click that link button, it will navigate to about and some other screens. Okay, it's like I'm going to add a link, and it is from Next.js, it is imported from Next.js, right? See here, and I'm going to close this and go to about, and I'm going to add a href here href is like about screen, and save this and go here. See this, we have one link button here. If I click this, it will navigate to about screen. In about screen, I'm going to copy the same link and paste here. Here it is blog, it will navigate to blog, and I'm going to change this to blog. And now about screen is rendered. If I click go to blog, it is navigate to blog, and inside blog, and it is like logout. I just give simple logout name and save this. And in blog, if I click this, it will navigate to home screen. See this, path is back to normal. Yeah, this is the app routing in Next.js. This is what I try to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.